Hey girls and boys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So at the moment we're making a nice little iced coffee for ourselves. And then I'm gonna fold the laundry, go out for a quick walk, and then I'm gonna come home and get ready because I am going out for dinner and drinks, but outdoor at Megan's. We're having it in our back garden and we've literally all had COVID anyway, so I'm not too worried. But yeah, it's just me, Megan, and then Megan's boyfriend and Connor. So yeah, I literally can't wait. I'm gonna look so glam and summery. I want to wear a nice outfit, but I don't know what yet. Of course, when do I ever? But yeah, fun times. I meant to start the vlog all day today, but I've literally been doing nothing. I've just been editing, so literally not another reason to start it. Like, I can never take away your truth. But the question is, right, girls and boys, I'm out of the shower, back for my walk, and I'm blurry, and I have my contacts in, so I'm ready to go. I'm ready to decide what I'm wearing. I'm gonna figure out my outfit first, I don't want to get makeup all over it. Well, yeah, it's just too hard to get like tops and stuff on and like try stuff on when you've got a full face makeup on, I feel like. So I always get I'm wearing a towel, by the way. I always get dressed first, most of the time I do. But also it takes me ages to find something to wear, and then I end up really stressed and sweaty at the end, so it's not a good idea. What do you do? Do you do your makeup or outfit first? Comment below. But I'm delighted I can see again. So I have some SLA stuff that I got the other day that I think I might wear one of. The only thing is I feel like I've been wearing the same pair of jeans for ages because I'm only really liking the one pair at the moment, and I've ordered new ones from ASOS, but they haven't got here yet. They're taking fucking ages. But anyway, this is what I have. I have this top. These are all in the warehouse sale. They're such good like basics. Like the quality of this is amazing. I already knew it would be because I've got a plain top from there. I think this is actually the back, but you get the idea. So it's just like that. Such nice quality in person. And then I also got a bodysuit, and then I got a white blazer. So yeah, I'm gonna be too cold in a blazer though, so like I may as well just bring a big gigantic coat because we're going to be sitting outside. But I don't know, I think this will be nice, like, and I would like it with jeans, but or else if some of my Shein tops that I'm kind of like bored of them at the minute because I've been wearing them for like my haul and stuff the other day, so I don't know. Anyway, we'll see. I'll try these on and show you guys, and you can help me, even though it's not really gonna help me because it's not real time, but you know what I mean. I'll show you them. Or else I have this cute top which I kind of forgot about, so I might wear that. And obviously I'm just gonna wear jeans with all these. Let's be realistic. Like, I think the blue will be nice with jeans and like an orange bag, but then I'm like, this is cute. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try them on. One top, meh, to be honest. Like, meh. I don't really like these jeans either with it. This is cute, but I don't know if I'm in the mood for this much stomach because we're going to be eating and sitting. Yeah, I don't know about that now, and the boobies as well is a bit much for me today. I don't know. Okay, I think this top's my favourite so far, but I'm not obsessed. I think it's the jeans mostly, to be honest. Excuse them, like they're just not really doing me many favours at the moment. Like, I want nice loose ones, so I think I'll just end up wearing the jeans that I literally have been wearing for the last, I don't know, however many times I've worn jeans. I've just been wearing the same ones, but I do like the like colour of these ones though. Like, I want a lighter pair. What did my outfit photo come? These colours are cute together. I'm gonna put on a stick on bra. This blazer is exactly what I was looking for. Like I wanted a nice massive boxy one. The shoulder pads are massive. Maybe a bit big for me, but I like it. What size did I get? I got it in a large. It's absolutely massive. Like I could literally wear that as a dress if I wanted. Unreal. Should I wear it? Like, I don't know if it is a bit big, maybe a bit like a scientist's thing, but I'm not setting it back, so it's gonna have to do. No, I like it. I think these ones are a no from me. They're collusion. I like the wash, but they're just like weird here, if you get me. These are the jeans that I've been wearing loads, but I don't even like them today. Right, finally for girls and boys is this. Perfume of choice tonight. Well. Time to do some speedy makeup. We were meant to leave 7 minutes ago, so just starting my makeup now. 10 out of 10. Need to do my hair as well. Get that heat up while I do my makeup. My arms. So conscious of my arms. It's the worst because when it gets to summer, it's not fun, but we just have to live with it, don't we, girls? We just have to live our lives anyway.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see?
My loud hoodie is in the thing at the end of the bed.
Yeah, I walk on it.
The brown one. Sorry, yeah. Thank you.
Darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na na na. Darling, I need your love.
I don't think so. Oh yeah, please.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so?
I'm ready. We're ready to go, ladies and gents. And my jacket. I'm making a margarita.
The brown bottle with it.
Yeah, recording. See now where our heads are cut off.
Oh yeah.
We need something
We
else.
like chill, lean
just-
back like this or what?
No, we can't. Like, we need one more thing underneath. Like,
There. Just hold it there.
Con like
no,
see
don't
myself.
con.
You sure?
Yeah, don't. Like, we'll just get something to put it on.
Okay.
I think we've nailed it. We've nailed it, Megan.
What if that falls off?
It won't. Con will be there to catch it.
We're making your cocktail suggestion.
Someone's phone's just playing music. It's coming through these.
Oh, it's my AirPods.
Stop.
Can you bring over the NutriBullet, please?
Assistant number 2. This is what their life is going to be like when we're making it big and they
we're-
work for us.
We're their sugar daddies.
So, have the same thing as you. Megan's so mean to me. Once the camera comes
Are
on,
you
it's
messing?
bully hour. That's what she does. Time to bully my
Yeah,
Emma.
but Emma bullies me off camera. She's trying to look good. Like,
No, don't, Megan.
our
It's so
assistant's
funny.
gone to get us a detail.
He literally just goes. He loves.
Thanks, God.
No. These are gonna be gross. No,
Yeah,
they look so
they look
good.
yummy.
Wow, they look slushy now. Wow. Look at them slushies. Frozen margarita.
I gave myself the most. I didn't mean to do that. So
Yeah.
nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Come on.
Cheers, Rona.
Where's Ryan gone?
Mmm. That's gorge, isn't it?
Another
so
cocktail.
nice.
Where
Yeah.
you teach them how to make a flat white martini.
Oh yeah, we'll come back later and do an espresso martini for you guys.
No, a
'cause-
flat white
a
martini.
flat white
because
martini because we've
our
nailed. Well,
drink.
can't nail somebody won't be on camera, so
Yeah,
we'll
no.
have to nail. We just made frozen margaritas for our Girls and Filters YouTube channel, and they were phenomenal. We're making another one now because they're so nice. Margarita number 2.
Not drinking like
Is it?
8% beer, so
Oh god.
So nice though.
This time we're gonna make
A cosmopolitan.
Cosmo.
We've no ice though.
We stayed in the Cosmopolitan Hotel, didn't we?
Yeah, in Vegas.
In Vegas.
So, but we've no
Creepy
ice.
place.
It's probably gonna be not great. It's got
Gonna
no
be
ice. I
hideous.
only want a small.
This is
small
cold though because it was outside. Right, so what's it? How much is a serving of vodka? I'm gonna make this
Big
one. It's
vodka,
gonna be
small
pretty funny.
triple sec.
Now some cornbread juice courtesy of Megan's sister.
bit. What are you laughing at, Con?
What's so funny?
What's so funny?
What are you
We're
laughing at?
so a bit more drunk than we were the first time.
Do you think? I think I'm so boring and sober. I was just thinking, what's the point in me recording it? Looks empty.
You're
Now, how
definitely
much of
not
this
sober.
should I use? What do you think? How much of this, Megan? I
Not a-
have strawberry daiquiri for after. It's pre-made. Put it in the fridge, even though we were meant to put it in the freezer. But what can you do? Can't put it in the fridge instead of the freezer. It's in big trouble. Big fat trouble. Oh, I have no lipstick left. And guys, my lip, oh, I didn't tell on the podcast, it was on my thing. But I caught my lip in my zip. There's actually Con's coat. I zipped it up and it caught my lip in the like two sides of the zip. Yeah, taste test.
Oh, that's really nice.
It's really nice, just warm. But
Come on, Bobby.
I can't touch them though, sorry. I'm allergic. I'm absolutely no.
He's so
like a
friendly.
skunk. He's like a fucking skunk.
Presenting himself to you, Emma.
Okay, come
Come
here.
on, it's
Give
like
it-
No,
give-
Bobby, Bobby. No, Emma. Don't
him a
be
little
scared
finger.
of him.
of course
Wait,
we're
Lauren,
scared
bring
of
him
skunk.
over to me.
Come here, you get a bit paro.
It's all been-
I'm
it's
going
all-
to
Tail was
it's
in your
all been
cereal there,
recorded.
Lauren. Yeah, that's the best part.
Bobby.
Oh my god.
I love you.
Oh, I keep hitting the glass off my tooth, my front tooth, because it's crooked. Oh, here he is. So he's pretty cute. Like, look at him.
He's
Nah,
my
the other one's
baby.
cuter, guys.
Really?
He's my baby.
He's so cute. Like for a cat.
Because he's a bit
cute.
smelly.
Oh,
He's not. He doesn't smell a
You
bit.
don't know what they bring home though, and what animals they're out
He
killing.
only- He's my child.
His paws are so cute. I'd love to touch him, but I'm too scared of him.
Why?
I don't know. He goes.
oh,
He doesn't. He's so friendly.
Anyway, we're gonna go enjoy this drink. Cheers.
Got Lars in the garden.
Oh, Megan's doing her Diana Vickers impression.
Barbie. Does anyone have any requests?
Oh, I keep knocking over.
It's more Diana.
The man in the mirror was the classic one that he used to do. Come on.
I'm talking about the man in the mirror.
Who are you doing?
I'm asking
Diana
him
Vickers.
to charge
Who's
his
Diana
X
Vickers?
Factor in about 2 days
Barefoot one on
before.
X
Yeah. You probably weren't born yet.
You wanna make the world a better place?
Come on,
You
let's
gotta
play
let
your
yourself make a
And Megan used to do this 24/7 in school. We used to all make her do it. So we just
pretty spot on,
like
in fairness.
it's pretty good. But then again, is it that
She
difficult?
likes like
Someone told me on Ask FM that I looked like
You squat
I
with,
stored hamburgers
your
in my
man in there.
cheeks.
exactly.
Oh my
Because
god.
my cheeks are so fat, they said you store hamburgers in your cheeks because I'm so fat.
Oh.
Yeah, they told me I wasn't good enough for my ex as well. I was like,
Nice.
you must be joking.
You must be my ex.
It probably was. It probably
Oh,
was him because I was with him at the time.
Definitely was.
It definitely was.
Definitely.
Image of him to a T.
Yeah, him all over.
You've cracked
Yeah,
it.
that'd be something that he would do.
Yeah, we
Carol
enjoy it.
Baskin.
If you're watching this, we
Yeah,
speak
right.
German.
Sebastian. No, I'll crap.
I don't remember anything said on my
Don't.
Ask FM. I have PTSD and I think I just blocked it all out.
Yeah. think I'd put lipstick on. Oh Jesus.
What did you do?
That was just burped.
Anyway, so who wants a flat white martini?
Alexa.
Oh yeah, Alexa, stop.
Sorry,
No,
just for
Alexa,
5 minutes.
No,
Stop.
sorry, we're
Well,
not going to get
thank you.
copyrighted. So Alexa,
Alexa, stop.
Nah.
Just Alexa.
No wait, she's
Stop.
not Alexa. Alexa. Well, she's not.
You have to say stop.
Alexa,
Hijack this.
stop.
Yeah, he did. Anyway,
Alexa,
we're just gonna
stop.
get copyright nature as well. Thanks,
Alexa,
Ronan.
stop.
Ronan, you can pay for this
Ronan,
video. This
you're-
video is sponsored by Ronan.
Wants a flat white
Flat white martini.
Ice. Play. What?
Ew, it's gonna be rotten in our glasses that we had.
Gonna play.
Cosmopolitan now, Megan. We can't reuse these.
You can.
Ronan,
Just take the last thing.
Ronan, will you wash out our glasses?
Ronan washed out my glass. Ready?
Yeah, but we've nothing to pour it into.
It's grand.
I can't mix it with cranberry juice.
There's ice here, look.
Oh. Anyway, time for some. Come on, pour some for the rest of us.
Whipped his foot out of his Essex.
Who else is having it? Just me and you.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh well. I really got the short end of the straw, didn't I? What's fucking new?
Stop making that noise.
This is at mass. Oh no, I'm gonna crop me saying that. Hey, don't worry, it's a bit too quick. This just tastes like 7-Up.
7-Up.
Because I was just drinking that.
How drunk is she?
She's really drunk.
Oh, that gives me a
It's
creep.
quite strong, I'm not
Because
gonna
you're meant to have a
lie.
full cup of
Alexa.
coffee in it as well. Like we're missing all that water and coffee.
3.
Give me some more.
Alright, sang that as a priest boy.
It's probably the last cocktail we're gonna make, guys. 'Cause we actually can't have any more. We actually can't. So,
Peace out. Stay
sexy. You're not turn the sound off on that.
Alexa, stop.
No, it's fine. Okay.
I am in like
My 15th cocktail of the night. This one's a
Alexa, Ronan.
flat white martini, but we didn't put any coffee in, so it's literally vodka, Kahlua, and Baileys. It's okay, I was talking over it, I think.
Yeah.
No, it's
I used to look different earlier.
get your sock out of your sweaty asses and pour it into a bit of water. That's what that is.
It smells lovely
strong,
though,
but
like
it's delicious.
honestly.
It's it's actually burning. Even my back's burning on the inside. Do you get
It's
that
very,
feeling? You know when you
very
drink
strong.
something and it's burned the whole way down your body?
It is burning,
It's
my
burning me
intestines.
inside on my back.
That doesn't sound
Yeah.
good. I don't think
Yeah,
that's
it's because
very
we're having
good.
alcohol mixed with alcohol.
John
You
Rennie.
usually have a whole.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm pregnant. No, I'm not.
I was like,
Psych. Hello guys, so it's now Monday. We all knew I wasn't going to end the vlog on, what was it, Friday night? Fucking hell, that was so long ago. And I'm only managing. Honestly, Saturday was a write-off. Like, well, I did do things, but I was just so tired and like bleh. And then yesterday I was just still tired. We did like a nice walk and stuff yesterday, but that was about it really. Like, so yeah, I'm now gonna sit down and edit this fucking chaotic as F video, so wish me luck. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.